Hello, everyone. So this is a quick tutorial on how to set up your MongoDB um, environment in your computer. So obviously, you go to mongodb.com products platform.atlas. So this is where you want. Should look something like this. You should do sign in here. And I've already created a username and password, but if you don't have one, um, you can create one. So I'm just going to go back again. You go sign in here. I'm already logged in, but if you don't want to have, it's just to sign up and it automatically gets you here. So once you're here, you should see something like this. And what you want to do is hit create. And this is the first one is free. Okay, so choose the one that's free, cluster 0. You don't need to put anything else. And then hit create deployment. Okay, and you can close this for now. So typically, it'll take about a few minutes for you to create the cluster. Okay, you should see something like this cluster, and mind you, it does take a good 5 to 6 minutes. So once it's done, you may want to hit database access here, and there is a username and a password. You can do edit, and ensure that you remember this password. Let's say I create 123. Whatever you want, just make sure you remember that and hit update user, and that is it for now, right? Now you go back again to the clusters here, click clusters again, and this is where you want to load your sample databases. So you can go here, browse collection, and there's a bunch of databases that you can actually put. So this already comes in here. There's many that we can automatically populate here, and then it'll go back and it'll catch it from our Robo3T. So just give it a few minutes here. It is doing something, collections. Okay, so it is retrieving databases. So let's pause here for a few minutes. Okay, so once it is loaded, you can go to collection and you can see there's one, but we want more, right? So you're going to go to overview here, and you have 3 dots on your right-hand side of the screen, and just hit load sample dataset here, and it will kind of give you some information. Hit the drop-down menu. The one you need is restaurants dataset. So this one, just click in here. You can have others as well. It's up to you. But let's focus on restaurants and then load sample data. And again, it'll take about a few minutes. I'm going to pause here. Okay, once it's done, if you go to collections, you should see your sample restaurant. It's still loading, but eventually it'll be complete. So give yourself about 5 minutes, I guess. Once that's done, again, remember the password that you set up for your account. So this is good. So this is hosted on the cloud. Now what you want to do is you want to use something called Robo3T or Studio3T to download a shell on your computer. So go in here and download Studio3T. It takes about 10 seconds almost. I already have it in here, so I'm just going to pull it up. So do Studio3T. Okay, I'm just going to load it up here. Okay, so once you load up and download and install Studio3T, it should look something like this. So, you want to hit, first of all, you want to go in here and go here, and then you want to go to connect. Okay, so hit connect, and you want to go here, compass. Oops, and then it kind of gets all the settings, right? So if you go here back again, connect, and you want to do new connection, and you can do something like this. Next. Oops, sorry. You can hit this one here. Oops, I think I need to grab it again. So you want to go here again, connect, encompass, and this is what you want to highlight. Grab the string, copy that, bring it back here, and next. Oops, so this is it's not the best. Okay, so once again, connect, hit the URL, next, and it will say it's auto configure. Now, this is where you have to put your password. Remember, I had BIP123. Let's check, and boom, and then you want to do test connection. Yes, it's okay. Hit OK and save. And this is your connection. I mean, you could delete this if you accidentally create it later, but so if you double click on this one, you see the restaurant, other sample data sets. Now it is actually loading up. So you'll have to give yourself about 5-10 minutes before everything's configured. All right, so good luck, and hopefully you'll install this before we meet next week.